It has to be done here. Very subtle, very silent. Keep sending it, keep sending it, keep radiating it, and it is changing something there. And it is changing your karmic account, most important. We don't need two people to change a karmic account. One out of the two will change their karma, which means change their thoughts. Karmic account changed. Who's going to be that one? Who's going to be the one? I or the one sitting on the next chair? No, I. Between two of you, who's going to be that one? Both? No. I. आपने आई नहीं बोला? हाँ. She said वो बोल ही रहे हैं तो मुझे क्या बोलने की जरूरत है? I. है ना? It's always I. Always say I. This is where the I has to come. I will do this. I will bend. This is bending. This is tolerance. And this tolerance only takes your vibration higher. When you don't consume their pain, but you actually radiate power to them. This is tolerance. Where your sanskar has not created any disturbance for me is tolerance. It's adjustment like this, just like this. Just like the water changes its path. There is a tree and the water is flowing like this. The tree is not an obstacle for that water. That water has the quality, it's able to go around the tree. This water has adjusted to the tree. But that water is not crying that I had to adjust. It's natural for that water to just go like this. It just moves in whichever direction it has to around every obstacle, every object, and doesn't even think that I'm adjusting, because adjusting is the nature of water. Adapting is the nature. So we also can make it our nature and don't count how many times we did it. It's just our nature. We don't count our nature. Our nature means what is natural for us. We count that what is not natural, for which we have to put effort. That is counting. Otherwise, it's natural for us. But to make this easy, to make this consistent, don't think it's that easy. You'll be able to do it from today. It's easy to understand. It's very easy to understand. But to implement, I don't need just understanding. I need the power to be able to implement. And that power will come from meditation. That power. It's like any piece of knowledge. I know I shouldn't get angry and yet I react. But I know it's not healthy for me. Then why did I react? I said, but you know what? That time I don't know what happened to me. I lacked the power to implement what I know. Similarly, this also. 3-4 days down the line, you will forget they are a soul on a journey. Because you'll get fresh information in the next 4 days listening to all kinds of things. So that is why that daily spiritual study and that daily meditation. Daily spiritual study will revise my consciousness every single day, and daily meditation will give me the strength to then implement what is understood from that consciousness. So Raj Yoga is about shifting to a 100% soul conscious state. Shifting from a 100% attachment to aim to reach that 100% detachment.